All right, time for Just Ask Mike, and I got to tell you, I've got some great questions and some more photos, so please keep sending them in. All right, what is Sherry going to be doing in Homes and Homes Season 3? Well, I brought Michael back. You know Michael, we have this little mix, which he doesn't stop doing. We're having a lot of fun. But I want to bring Sherry in. I want to push her more in design because she's got an eye. Right now, she's kind of pregnant. She's really big, so it's hard to allow her to be on the construction site. So I'm giving her other things to do in Season 3 until the baby's born, and we're going to say hi to the baby. We're going to film that, and we're going to put her back to work because she needs to work. She represents women in skilled trades, and she makes me very proud. Is mold still an issue in a well-built, airtight home? The answer is yes. When we do thermal barrier around our house, the thermal barrier is insulation. It's that batt insulation with the vapor barrier on the warm side. As long as hot can meet cold, we introduce the first food group of mold, which is moisture. The second food group is organic, paper on the drywall, lumber. As long as we do minimum code, the opportunity for mold growth is still there because we have both food groups, hot meaning cold, moisture, and we're using lumber, especially today, young wood, which will mold very quickly, and paper on the drywall. What I try to tell everyone is please use mold resistant products. We can treat our lumber and we can use mold resistant drywall. Take away one food group of mold and you're more than likely not going to have any mold. Is it a problem? It still is, unfortunately. Pay attention to it. So disappointed the home season is over. Please tell me there's another one on the way. The answer is yes. There is another one on the way. That's going to be Season 3. Something else that I'm working on, another television show, one that's top secret, which you'll find out really soon. Same person has sent in some wonderful pictures. Oh, look at that one. This is, like, to me, I look at this electrical mess and say, was this done on purpose? Because this is more than likely one of the messiest panels I've ever seen. There's all kinds of junction boxes with wires tying in. There is no electrician on this whatsoever, and I'm really surprised this house has not yet burnt down. Fix your electrical, save on insurance, possibly a family member for that matter. Well, that's different. That must be a homeowner who did this, and what I'm looking at is the downspout. Here's the east trough into a gutter, and with the downspout, they've actually taken an angle. It looks like they've tried to punch a hole. Maybe that's to help overflow come out this way. Man, when we do something, do it right the first time. The gutters and the downspout are to direct water away from the house and not make it cascade at the side of the foundation, which is only going to come in your home. Foolish. I keep sending those in. That's funny. Oh. Okay, this is cute. This is how not to install a toilet. Somebody is probably... At one time, maybe this toilet here was a different style toilet. They went to change the toilet and had to cut a big hole in the wall. But think about this for a second. If this toilet had a problem, how do you shut the water off? Because it's going to be inside the wall. It comes back out. That supply line comes out back side of the toilet. The things that we will do today to go to the washroom. Not how to do it, kind of funny, stupid, and no wonder it's sent to me because they usually want me to fix it. Bring in a plumber that can show a toilet that'll fit there, or use an offset flange underneath the toilet to bring the toilet out. Really simple, lots of fun. Keep this up because I'm enjoying it. Keep smiling.